The hell is that?
This crude contraption will allow you to transport the remains of our master.
Can you not simply raise the remains when we find them?
Pardon, Lord, but a being of Kel'Thuzad's power can only be reanimated at a nexus of powerful ley energies, and there are no such places in this land.
Very well then. Let's move out.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool. No one orders me. Frostmourne hungers. What is it now? This is more like it. Ah, at last. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. Faithless coward. What is it now? Finally. For the Lich King. Frostmourne hunger.
Arthas! Stop this madness before it's too late!
Stand aside, brother. I've come to collect some old bones and I don't wish to be disturbed.
What is it now? Finally. Must be. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. What is it now? Finally. This is more like it. Ah, at last. No one orders me around. Finally. What is it now? For the Lich King. I'll make sure you suffer. Speak, fool. What is it now? For the Lich King. Tread lightly. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last. Speak, fool. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last. No one orders me around. Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last. Faithless coward. No one orders me around. What is it now? This is more like it. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. What is it now? Ah, at last. Your pain shall be felt. For the Lich King. Speak, fool. Now you lost one. I'll make sure you suffer. No one will leave around.
Insufficient stamina.
Tread lightly. Speak, fool. Finally. Now, Frostmourne. No one orders me around. I'll make sure you suffer.
I can't believe that we ever called you brother. I knew it was a mistake to accept a spoiled prince into our order. You've made a mockery of the Silver Hand.
At last. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Frostborn hungers. What is it? Tread lightly. What is it now? Now, Frostborn. Finally. Frostborn hungers.
Come along now, Necromancer. The powers that you once served have need of you again.
Told you, my death would mean little.
What the? Am I hearing ghosts now?
It is I, Kel'Thuzad. I was right about you, Prince Arthas.
It took you long enough. These remains are badly decomposed. They will never survive the trip to Quel'Thalas.
Quel'Thalas?
Yes. Only the energies of the High Elves' Sunwell can bring Kel'Thuzad back to life.
Then what must be done?
You must steal a very special urn from the Paladin's keeping. Place the Necromancer's remains within it, and he will be well protected for the journey.
As you wish.
My life for Ner'zhul. I wish only to serve. Thy will be done. My life for Ner'zhul.
Blight is created when undead structures are summoned. Buildings can only be summoned onto Blight, with the exception of the necropolis.
I wish only my life for Ner'zhul. I bow to your will.
The undead must haunt the gold mine before the acolytes can begin harvesting gold.
Tread lightly.
My life for Ner'zhul. Thy bidding, Master. I gladly obey.
No one orders me.
Summoning is complete. I bow to your will. My fate is sealed.
When standing on Blight, wounded undead units regenerate faster.
My life for Ner'zhul. My fate is sealed. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Thy bidding, Master. Yes, Master. My fate is sealed. Yes, Master. Stand ready. Thy will be done.
Speak, fool. last. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. No one orders me around. Finally. Frostmourne hungers.
Summoning is complete.
Finally.
Summoning is complete.
At last.
I wish only to serve. Thy bidding, Master.
Summoning a graveyard will supply the undead army with fresh corpses. More gold is required.
Summoning is complete.
Speak, fool. Finally.
Upgrade complete.
Summoning is complete. Where shall my summoning is complete?
Upgrade complete. Ghouls harvest lumber for the undead army. Upgrade complete.
Thy will be done. I gladly obey.
Upgrade complete.
Yes, Master.
What is it now? This is more like it.
I bow to your will. My fate is sealed. Thy will be done. I gladly obey. Yes, Master.
Speak, fool.
My life for Ner'zhul.
No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers. Fate's counter. This is more like it. For the Lich King. You will know end this torment. I'll make sure you're so.
I bow to your will. Summoning is complete. My fate is sealed. Yes, Master. I gladly obey. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete.
What is it now? Frostmourne hungers.
Where shall my blood be spilled? I wish only to serve.
No one orders me around.
I bow to your will. I wish only to
More
serve.
gold is required.
Tread lightly. No one orders me around.
Upgrade complete.
Tread lightly.
Research complete. I bow to your
More
will.
gold is required.
What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Finally.
Our forces are under attack.
Frostmourne hungers. Finally. At last. Speak, fool, for the Lich King. Your pain shall be legendary. This is what I want. Famous coward. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. At last. Finally. This is more like it. At last. For the Lich King. Finally. Tread lightly. No one orders me around. I'll make sure you suffer. At last. Tread lightly. Finally. This is more like it. Your pain shall be legendary. Finally. No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers.
Help! The undead have returned.
Tread lightly. Finally. I'll make sure you suffer. For the Lich King. Speak,
Our
fool.
town is under attack.
I'll make sure you suffer. This is more like it. No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers. Speak, fool. At last. Frostmourne hungers.
I must feast on souls.
Frostmourne hungers. You will know endless torment.
I grow tired of waiting.
This is more like it.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
Must feed.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool. Finally. What is it now?
Must feed.
Speak, fool. What is it now? Now. Speak, fool. No one orders me. last. Frostborn hungers. Speak. At last. Tread lightly.
Vile betrayer! You are not fit enough to even carry your father's name! Why Uther ever vouched for you is beyond me. You've stripped him of his honor by casting yours to the winds. You deserve a gruesome death, boy.
Tread lightly. This is more like it. Frostborn hungers. Finally. No one orders me around. Our forces are under attack. What is it now? Tread lightly. What is it now? No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. Others should suffer. Must be. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. Must be.
More gold is required.
What is it now? No one orders me around.
You will know endless torment.
Tread lightly.
Must
No one orders me around. At last.
must be.
What is it now?
Inventory is full.
Finally. This is more like it. Frostborn hungers. Tread lightly. Ah, at last. What is it now?
Light have mercy on you. Your betrayal has broken Uther's heart, boy. He would have given his life for yours in a second. And this is how you repay his loyalty?
This is more like it.
Our force.
Tread lightly. No one can mess around. What is it now? Ah, at last. This is what
Must be.
Speak, fool. Ah, at last.
Our forces are under attack.
No one orders me around. Submission plan. No one orders me around. Speak, fool. Tread lightly.
Your father ruled this land for 70 years, and you've ground it to dust in a matter of days.
Very dramatic, Uther. Give me the urn, and I'll make sure you die quickly.
The urn holds your father's ashes, Arthas. What? Were you hoping to piss on them one last time before you left his kingdom to rot?
I didn't know what it held. Nor does it matter. I'll take what I came for one way or another.
Speak, fool.
Our forces are under attack.
Tread lightly. At last. Speak, fool. Frostborn hunters. Finally. Tread lightly. Glory to the Scourge. No one. Speak, fool. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. For the Lich King. Faithless coward. Your pain shall be legendary. Tread lightly. I'll let you suffer. No one orders me around. Glory to the Scourge. Tread lightly.
I dearly
Speak,
hope there's
fool.
a special place in hell waiting for you, Arthas.
We may never know, Uther.
No one orders me around. This is what I get. Speak, fool. Frostborn hungers.
Excellent work. Now your journey to Quell Thalas can begin.
Tell him nothing. Only you can hear me. The Dread Lords cannot be trusted. They are the Lich King's jailers. I will tell you all when I walk this world.